Well, hello everyone, and
Oh wait, it's a new game.
hello everybody, and today we're going to be playing the Resident Evil 4 remake, well, the demo of it. The game is not out for 2 weeks, but today I was just scrolling on YouTube, enjoying my day. It pops up a Capcom showcase, and watched that, and they dropped the Resident Evil 4 demo remake. So, I've never played a Resident Evil game in my life. I've only watched most time. I pretty much watched all of Resident Evil 7. Shout out to Frozen Toaster.
Really hope she doesn't get inside me.
Feature, cool, dope set. Here we go, boys. Resident Evil 4. Play through the main story. Start a new game. No difficulty settings because he knew how to pick the hardest at the start.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget.
We do not care.
About to get, we just skipping okay, we're in it. We are in it, boys. The drip. Can we go back? We can go back. Look at the leaves. Look at the car. Look at the resolution. We are moving. Can I pull out my gun? He's sprinting around. We gotta go. We gotta go.
How far could he have gone?
How far? Who's he? I don't know who he is, bro. Only know, Pete ain't gonna be happy about this one, Chief. Okay, we got a butcher knife. Oh no. Open the door. Open up. Did you kill that rabbit? I'm gonna have to arrest you for that, sir. Oh look, it's a doll. So it's a doll covered in ketchup. I swear I didn't do a thing, even though I am breaking into your house. I'm sorry. I'm looking for the daughter of the president. For some reason is in this raggedy rundown village. Look at the light reflections. I'm fearful for my life. I am fearful of a lot of things. The controller's vibrating. I'm impressed. I'm immersed. Uh-oh, someone's behind the door. Yo! Why has it got blood on it? Why? Get the ketchup off. Hey, what? Bro's knife is, bro got the strength wrong, bro. Bro kicked this man into a brick wall. Oh my god. Broke his back, neck snapped. Dang, Leon, just kick the man to the next dimension. Leon
Not good.
Oh yeah, I was just thinking everything was peachy. Thanks, Leon. We got the blicky. Mario, no!
Oh no!
How do you kick? I want to do the kick. How do you kick? I want to kick. Stab people. Quick turn. Okay, Leon, you should pick up some of this stuff then. I'm pretty sure your briefcase got some of it, okay? Open the door. And let's say hello to some friends. We got the key. Use the key. Look at that. Look at the animation. Tell me this needs to be a PS5 game. Okay, I'll stop doing that. I'm sorry. It's just, that looks a bit raw, right? I'm not even gonna try to read that. What the hell? Gotta stay quiet during cutscenes.
Hey!
Am I gonna have to censor this?
I
read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Hey!
What was that?
I hear those toes. I hear those toes on the floorboards. Don't. Any sudden movements. Any sudden movements.
No fucking way.
Any sudden movements. Any sudden movements. Ow! Ow! Leon, what do you do? Leon, what do you do? Leon, what do you do? Stab him. Stab him. Kick him. Okay, kick him. Break. In the headshot. In the headshot. In the headshot. Stab him. Oh.
find a metallic fence, so I knew it had tire flat.
Y'all, I never played a Resident Evil game before. I'm coming back. Hey, watch out. I'm jogging now.
No fucking way.
Why are you not dying? Bruh, okay. Restoring health. Use. There you go. Alright, Leon. Book it. Book it, Leon. Get him in close space. Get him in close space. Work out the cardio. Come in the door. Licky, licky, licky. Ayy, first kill.
This just keeps getting worse.
Don't make me shoot you again. You might want to get that checked out. Open the door, Leon. This could just been a normal guy. We just shot him square in the head. Uh-oh. Okay, Leon, you're gonna have to stab this man. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh, Leon ain't gonna make it. Oh, Leon ain't gonna make it. Alright. Get him, get him. How do you roll? How do you roll in this game, bro? Bro, Leon, I am so sorry, Leon. So bad. There's the excuse of I've never played a Resident Evil game before can only go so far. Okay, Leon, how can you roll in this game? Is there like do a barrel roll? Oh no barrel roll. No. Open the door. My pistol reloaded, man. Our goal is to escape, not lock ourselves in. Oh my god. I know who that is.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Yo, these guys ain't normal.
I'll let myself out.
In real life, you'd have like 10,000 cuts right there. Yo, they met. Well, I mean, technically they're justified. If some random dude just started, like, went to your house and started shooting everybody, I think you kind of want him to leave too. Yo, that is one sturdy bridge. What's with blood being there? Oh, the controller is shaking. Okay, Leon, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Honestly, I'm not feeling this right. Okay, that crow is humongous. That is one humongous crow. Are you sure that thing ain't infected either? Y'all got some ammo? Oh, Leon. Yeah. Yeah. Reload it. Ooh, save point. I know my Resident Evil. This is a safe room. Leon kicking every single thing in existence. This man loves kicking. I don't know what is this. I don't know why this man. Game. The game's like, nah, bro, you can't save. This demo's only like 25 minutes. You don't need saving, bro. Saving the full game. It's gonna cost 60 bucks to get the save feature. I'm sorry. That humongous crow again. Crow bigger than a baby. Where we go? Okay, we can crouch. Okay, that car ain't looking in like it's in pristine condition right now. Okay, Leon, let's yo, hey, bro, hey, watch your back, bro. Watch your back, bro. Watch your back, bro. Uh-oh, they're jumping me. Leon, they're jumping us. Okay. Three to the head. Me. Uh-oh. They're mad. Why are you shaking? Violence. Stop shaking. Stop shaking. Why are you getting back up? Who said you could get back up? Stop. Stay down, bro. Stay down. I need gunpowder. I need that gun powder. Alright, so. Let's keep on going. Oh, ow. Oh, blood just, owie, that kind of hurt. I heard you, bro. You ain't sneaky. Ow. Leon, you recover, Leon. Slice and dice. Some points. Pesitas. Got a red herb. Got a flash grenade. I don't know why I was just sitting around. Got some handgun ammo. So, Leon ain't doing so hot. He has a probably huge wound on his shoulder. Probably bleeding out as we speak. He is struggling. Uh-oh. Leon, you better just... Oh, he's opened the door. I know it hurts. We'll find some medicine. That ain't medicine. You guys got any medicine? Kind of in the need for it. Ugh. Okay, we gotta hide and we gotta take out our binoculars. Okay, so we're gonna zoom in, see what they're doing. Let them cook. Or are they cooking? People, that's what they're cooking. They're cooking people. I'll save you, bro. I'll be right there in a minute. Just gotta check what these guys are doing. Yo, bro, you still there? What is Grandma doing? Y'all guys got any medicine? I would very much appreciate it. This chicken, y'all got chicken. Y'all could just burn that instead. I don't know why y'all. Leon, stop kicking the bucket. This is a stealth game now. This is a stealth mission. Herb. Get the herb. Leon, whatever you do, get the green herb. Let's go. Item crafting. Yep, gotcha. Craft. Boom. Drink. Grandma. I'm sorry, Grandma. Don't make me do this, Grandma. Do not turn around, Grandma. I just want my item. I just want Grandma, you don't. Grandma, I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry. This is the way. This is just how it has to be. Oh God, there's a lot of them. Run! They're mad at murdered Grandma. Run, Leon, run. Leon, please run. We cannot fight them all. We are not that guy. We are not that cool. We are not that guy. Leon, book it. Book it, my man, book it. Uh-oh, there's a lot of them. There is a lot of them. Open the door. Ain't no way. We did not want there. That's what you meant by chainsaw demo, wasn't it? Uh-oh. Bro looks crazy. Break free. Nice. Oh, we got the knife. Yeah, true. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's get out. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's dope. We need the chickens, bro. We need the chickens. Alright, go in here. Can we go in here? Crap. Alright, we cannot go in here. The chickens cannot help us. Leon, please, man. Why is there no difficulty settings? Hey, random guy. Just like you. Oh. What the? Why is this man doing this? Oh!
You're shitting me.
Yeah, I am. Pick up the red herb. Go! Oh my God, there's so many of them. There are so many of them. Oh, good. Grandma, stay away from me. There are so many of them. Oh my God. If there is a time to use the flash grenade, it would be a time like this. Because there are like 5 billion of them coming after me. Throw the flash grenade. Throw the flash grenade. Throw the flash grenade. Shoot him. I'm out of ammo. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. I closed myself in. Run! Woohoo! Oh no! I locked myself in here. No! Leon! Use the knife, Leon. Leon, no! Oh, Leon got destroyed. I don't think Leon made it, guys. Walk right past. Gonna have the pistol out. Hold it. Hold it to be prepared. Always be prepared for any of the BS that Resident Evil is gonna give you. We sneak past.
Here we go.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, got you. I'm starting to get how Resident Evil works. I ain't got time for this. Punch that. Hey. Watch out. Watch the mission. Get me out. Hey. Push the door open. Leon, why are you struggling to push a door open? I really don't like this game.
Here we go.
Tiger. Come on. Boom. Boom. I know how to play Resident Evil now. I'm a Resident Evil pro. Hey. Boom. Boom. What the hell is this man is doing? The chickens will assist me.
Nice shot!
Oh! Ow! Dang, man! I still do not have to. Boom! Why, even when I'm not even coming up the door, this dude can't spot me. Man just threw an axe at me. The disrespect. It's time to go ham. Get them all in an area. We got. Stop throwing your axe at me. Yeah. Boom. Flashbang time. Boom. Alright, guys. This is the closest I've ever been. And I ain't not. To you. Are you even kidding me? Stay away, you need. Why do you have a shovel? Why is this part of the game so bloody hard? Can we use it? Okay, we're fully healed. We got the full ammo. Bro, I've never been more lost in this situation in my life. Because there's no way this... Bro, why are they like, yo, or give someone do I look like I got friends right now? I don't got friends. I only got enemies. Thank God. I was saved by Jesus himself. He's coming back, y'all. We always love the bell. Even though he massacred a lot of people, but the hell was that?
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
But ain't no way man just said that.